In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a YouTube-ready video in Adobe Media Encoder. If you've just finished editing your project in Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects, congratulations! The next step is to get that masterpiece ready for YouTube. First, let's get into the process of sending your completed timeline or composition over to Adobe Media Encoder. If you're working in Premiere Pro, you'll want to go to File, then select Export and choose Media. In the export screen that pops up, click on Queue. This action will send your project directly to Adobe Media Encoder. Now for all the After Effects users, you'll do something slightly different. Just head over to Composition and select Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Easy as that, your project will appear in the AME Queue panel. Now that we've successfully sent our project to Adobe Media Encoder, let's get it ready for YouTube. In the Queue panel, you'll spot a drop-down labeled Format. Click on this and choose H.264. This format will usually result in an .mp4 file, which is what YouTube prefers. Then, move to the Preset drop-down menu and select a YouTube-specific preset like YouTube 1080p Full HD. If, by chance, you don't see a specifically designated YouTube preset, make sure to pick one that matches your video's resolution. Whether you're working with UHD or 4K at 3840 by 2160, Quad HD at 2560 by 1440, Full HD at 1920 by 1080, or simply HD at 1280 by 720, match it accordingly to get the best results. Next, you'll want to set where your exported file will be saved and what it will be named. Simply click the blue output file name in the Queue panel and a dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose a save location and rename the file in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Keep in mind, a good naming convention can be very helpful. Before you hit start on the rendering process, it's crucial to double-check your export settings. Click on the blue preset name in the queue. In the video settings, you'll want to ensure you're matching your source frame rate, using a progressive field order, and setting your target bitrate appropriately. Around 8 Mbps typically works well for 1080p, but you might want to go higher if you're working with 4K footage. As for the audio settings, use the AAC codec at 48 kHz with stereo sound, which is the standard for YouTube uploads. Once you've reviewed all your settings and everything looks perfect, click the green Start Queue button in Adobe Media Encoder. This will begin the rendering process. Once the export is complete, play the file back locally to ensure the visual and audio quality meets your expectations. Now you're ready to upload it to YouTube. Monitor the upload carefully and, when YouTube finishes processing, verify that your video plays back at the resolution you were aiming for and behaves as expected. With all this done, your video should be perfectly prepped and ready for its debut on YouTube.